Subscribe now. Google Pixel 2 is overwhelming. People say Google Pixel 2 is the best phone in 2018. But, is that true that Google Pixel 2 is this good? Isn't there any flaws? Of course there is. Here is 4 reasons to skip buying Google Pixel 2. First, designs are kinda poor. At a time that Samsung, Apple and others are pushing the envelope with edge-to-edge screens, the front of the Pixel 2 has chunky bezels. The Pixel 2 XL's bezels are there, but they're not as prominent, thanks to the display's 18:9 aspect ratio. The two-tone backs on these phones don't exactly thrill visually either, though the kinda blue color pops more than the just black and clearly white. The black and white model of the Pixel 2 XL reminds me of a cookie, not a phone. Second, no headphone jack. The Pixel 2 copies the iPhone 8 and iPhone X in one way we don't like, and that's getting rid of the 3.5mm headphone jack. Yes, there are plenty of good cheap wireless earbuds out there, and Google includes a dongle in the box. But the Galaxy S8 and Note 8 prove that you can deliver a water-resistant design without ditching the jack. Third, no wireless charging. While Apple just joined the wireless charging party with Samsung, you need to plug the Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL in to power them up. It's much easier to just lay your phone down on a Qi-compatible charging pad or mat. Fortunately, Google's new phones do support fast, wired charging, promising 7 hours of power in 15 minutes. We'll see how that bears out in our testing. Fourth, cameras lack optical zoom. Google deserves credit for delivering a portrait mode with a single lens, but some dual-lens camera phones like the iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone X and Galaxy Note 10 give you a 2x optical zoom. This can make a huge difference in photo quality, whether you're at your kid's soccer game or outside skiing. Now you need to think whether you're going to buy this phone or no.